Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen, and this time it's for the Samsung A53. So if you've forgotten your pattern lock and can't remember it anymore, this is for you. In some cases you'll also need to remove your SIM card, or rather take out your SIM card and your memory card, because this procedure will erase everything that's stored on the device's memory. In some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any program, file, or anything like that. It's just so the phone can enter recovery mode. Then you go there, select the unlock option, which I'm going to show you right now. In a bit, I'll also talk about how you can remove the Google account in case you need to. So let's get started. On this very screen, press the volume down and power buttons together. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to show you here so you can do it too and unlock your device, alright? So let's get started. On this screen, hold down volume down and power until the device restarts. It's important for you to pay attention to the time while it's restarting. Let's wait just a few more seconds. Release the volume down and press the volume up because it has already restarted. Pay attention to the screen here. You can see the name flashed. Now yes, I release the power button and keep holding the volume up button at the top until it enters recovery mode, which is this one here. Once you get to this screen, I want to remind you that this procedure will also work for other Samsung models, okay? So now press the volume down button until you reach the fifth option, where it says Data Factory Reset, and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this process to finish. Confirm one more time. Now your device is already being unlocked. You'll see it will restart and there won't be that pattern password or the PIN or any other screen lock password you had set up here, okay? If you need to unlock your email or your Google account, we can do that for you as well, even remotely. I'll leave my number in the video description or in the channel description. You can get in touch with me, ask your questions, and check the price for your unlock. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description, no matter the amount. What matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks. Take care.